just changing the letters over there. It's Miraflores Park Hotel.
Okay.
You see this brick wall here?
Yeah.
This one, when you come out from the hotel,
Yeah.
if you want to go to the mall, you just come where the brick wall is, keep on going that way,
Okay.
and that will take you there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is a Belmond hotel, right?
Yes, it's a Belmond property.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I am now in Lima in Peru. Actually, it's our holiday, it's our anniversary trip, and we started at Lima. So we traveled from Toronto, stopped over at Atlanta, and then to Lima. And it's our first time in Peru, so it's pretty exciting. And this is going to be 100% Belmond experience. So the first hotel that we stay is the Miraflores Park Hotel in Lima. So we have booked a junior suite, ocean view, king room. So let me show you, the room tour as usual. So when I walk in, on my left is the closet, which I can put in a piece of luggage. And then the other one have the safe deposit box and a pretty cool kettle with pretty cute tea. I haven't checked it out yet, but it looks very interesting to me. Okay, and then the hair towel, hair dryer, and then the slippers and everything, even with the flashlight. Okay, and then on my right is the bathroom. Although it's only single sink, but they have a full bathtub with bath salt and everything. So that's very nice. And if you do not already know, actually Belmond is owned by HVMH and is used to be Orient Express, and its major competitor is Four Seasons and Ritz-Carlton and such and Amman. So this is what I expect for a hotel like this. So this is the walk-in shower, and this is the amenities. Okay, some more amenities here, and this is the nice quality bathrooms. Okay, so as I mentioned, we booked a junior suite, ocean view, king room. So this is the king size bed. One piece of luggage in the cabinet and one piece here. And I think this is the room spray for the pillow. Nespresso coffee machine with 6 capsules. And and then a bottle of water, and then actually the mini bar. You know, I really want to check this out because I saw this. It's the Inca Cola. Okay. Oh, room service menu and experience menu. Okay, so the room part is here with the work desk, with the king size room, king size bed, and then this is the more small sofa area, which makes up the junior suite, and they are very nice to have a welcome card for us. Handwritten from the hotel manager, as well as, you know, a happy anniversary message from the guest relations team, and a bottle of champagne, extra blute, sparkling, and then strawberries and treats like that. Okay, so very classy, you know, very, I would say Four Seasons Ritz-Carlton comparable. And this is the Pacific Ocean. It's very early in the morning, and it's very nice of them to give us a room. So when it brightens up in the day, I will show you the ocean view of our room here. Okay, so basically that is how we started our anniversary journey with Belmond. So there'll be a lot of videos and a lot of different destinations to show you our experience and the hotel as well. So please follow us, and I will show you. We'll have breakfast here for 2 mornings. We're here for 2 nights, and we'll have the pistol experience at 4 p.m. today at the hotel, which is complimentary to in-house guests. So I will show you everything, all my experience here at this Miraflores Park Hotel in Lima, Peru.
So, for the bread, here we have a extra virgin olive Peruvian oil.
Yep.
And the other one is a red pepper and chickpea sauce.
Oh,
Okay. This is the amuse bouche for today.
yep.
This is
Have a taste.
Sure.
yeah. This is your scallops from Baracas. Baracas is it's like a beach near in Lima. From here, 3 hours around that.
Okay.
Okay, it's located in the south of Lima.
Okay.
It's a national reserve. From there is our scallops. We serve it with truth caviar
Yep.
in parmesan form. Okay. So this is our ramen. This is a soup made with pork and chicken, poached egg, calamari, spring onions. the black bebek, and this is the baby chicken.
Yep.
This is a pak choy. We have here a lot of garlic, shrimp, crab meat,
Yep.
and the sauce is made with fumet, white wine, and a little bit of butter also.
Okay.
Okay, enjoy please. It's a aperitif food made with honey. It has honey and
So it's a very small gym, but this is a swimming pool with the Pacific Ocean view.
we are gonna put 1.5 ounce. By itself, it's something we use to put over a fruit salad. Yes, so 2 first and 1.5. There you go. Excellent. Right now the bar is. Okay, right now we're gonna shake.
Faster, faster.
You see? It's
Very good.